Alright, so we have here this Air Factory juice. I just got back into vaping again, which has served my lungs really good. I've got my sense of smell back, even my sight's doing better, and my lungs and my throat are doing so much better. I can smell better, just feel better all around. But I got this 6 Nick Blue Raz. I figured I'd do a review with y'all. Now, raspberry has always been one of my favorite things because it's tart and sweet. And I have my mod here. I got it set for 75 watts because I've been vaping it. I mean, I've been charging it all morning. I mean, I had to charge this thing all morning. Just got some fresh batteries in this thing. A brand new fresh coil. The only e-juice that's been in here is that. So this is all this is going to taste like. I got my fill slot ready to go. I'm going to whiff it a little bit. Get a little bit of that air in there. Get some oxidization going. Make sure it's seeped in very well. Shake it up, mix it a little bit. That's why I'm always doing that. It's reading at 0.25 ohms. Registering, even at 0 volts since it's not being pushed down. And my last hit was 2.54 seconds, so about an average of 3-second hit. So let's try to do a 3-second hit here and see the clouds and the production on this. Let me look. It should say on here about VGPG somewhere. It says ingredients: propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, nicotine, and flavors, and it's in that order. I don't really say what the balance is, but I'm guessing it's 70-30. You would think it would say on here. I guess sometimes the packaging don't show it. I might have showed it on the box because it did come in a little box, but yeah, got this all right here. I got some water here to clean my palate. I have been having a little bit of allergies and stuffiness lately, so other than that, let's give this a little test go. It comes off fresh. That's what first thing I get. Nice fresh vaped. It's not too pungent. Like, it don't hit you too hard. It's really airy, really fluffy clouds, really soft clouds. It comes off thick and dense, congested. It got a little bit of that tartness, a little bit of that taffy flavor that it's got with that air taffy, It'll get you sometimes, nicotine comes off real clean, real airy, real subtle. But it's got a little bit of that tartness to it that just keeps it going, keeps you coming back for more. Also very smooth throughout the whole hit. It keeps that coil saturated very nicely, and since I have this regular straight glass on, I don't have to fill the tank too much, and it keeps my juice fresh in here. If I have too big of a tank, like I used to have, then by the time I get down to the bottom of the tank, it's just all old and vaped on and all that. So I like to keep my tank fully recycled. I don't fill it up until it's completely out, and make sure that thing stays soaked, and give it a little while in between hits so that cotton stays saturated. And this is my drag Platinum 2. As you can see on the other side, battery door is shiny. It is metallic. It is chrome. And you take this off here, you got my brand new 18650 batteries, which are brown. And they even relabeled them. You see how it says the plus and minus right there, y'all? Shows that on there. It's got a battery compartment, clicks directly in. It's got a little cord up under there to pull your batteries out evenly. A little bit of scratching on this thing. I keep all my stuff clean. I keep all my stuff clean and kept up with. And every time I change out this coil, you know what I do, y'all? I take just a simple little paper towel or a little something like that. Something that's not going to mess it up too bad. Not going to get little flakes in there. Nothing like that from paper. But I just make sure all that old juice is cleaned out. Make sure I take this whole thing apart when I take my coils out. every time I change out a coil, I change out this whole thing. And just sitting here, caffeinated, ready to take on the day. And occasionally when I need a little break, whip it in, bro. Get that whipped cream. Get that whip. Get that whipping fresh.